Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video we are going to be learning how you can edit photos in CapCut. Now CapCut provides various features to edit and manipulate or work with photos, so let's get started. First, if you do not have any photo in your project media bin, you can simply click on this import button which is at the top left side of your screen, and you can see we have some photos going on in here. You simply import some of these pictures and you can see we have two pictures into our timeline, and we have this one as well. You can use this as a background, and now let's just place some of our pictures on top. So here, as you can see, we have two photos and Google Play Store logo as well. So you can simply add some animations using your animation tab. You can see we have some of animations going on, so you can use these animations on this, and you can simply click on this Play Store button and add animation as well. So you can see this looks really nice, and in the middle you can add some cuts and add different animations on these. So let's just say I want to add something like this one. Looks good, and now these effects will be added on top of these. So that's how you can just work with pictures and CapCut and just do anything, pretty much anything that you like. You can add animations, you can add text, you can manipulate it and use it with your videos. And once you're done, you can simply click on this export button and select your location where you want to export your video and click on export, and you're done. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.